Hi, today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2710 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup. So that is actually how to connect this printer with your home or office Wi-Fi network. Now to do that, first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on. Once the display screen is on and printer is stable, now we have to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we need to press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now release the button. You will see the power button starts to flash and it will stop flashing. Then the wireless button will start to flash automatically. So here you can see that as well. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Now take your iPhone or Android phone and open the Wi-Fi setting. Look for the printer's name, that is HP Setup AA DeskJet 2700 series, and click on it. It will connect automatically. Go back and open the HP Smart app. This app can be downloaded from the App Store. Click on the plus button on the top of the screen in this app here and click on the add printer button. It will give you option set up a new printer. Click. It says turn on Bluetooth for setup. So we have to go back and turn on the Bluetooth. Go to the settings in your phone and open the Bluetooth. Switch it on. Go back. Open the HP Smart app again. So once we see the list of the Wi-Fi networks available here, we can click on the one we want to connect. Now we have to enter the password of our Wi-Fi network. Click on the continue button and you will see it says connecting the printer to the Wi-Fi, printer found. There is a message here saying press the flashing information button on your printer. I'll show you here. As you can see, there is a white light flashing here, so click on this information button. And if it's asked, just give a permission to join the network. We will see it says printer connected to Wi-Fi and we have to click on the continue button. On the next screen you will see enjoy HP benefits. Click on the continue again and it says HP wants to use hp.com to sign in. So if you want, you can go there and you can sign in into the HP account and register your printer, or you can just cancel. You will see skip warranty and account activation. So you can load the paper sheet as it's on the rear side and then click on the continue. Here we see the next screen, HP Instant Ink. So if you don't want to use this just now, click on the get ink at regular price and click on the continue button. Then you can skip the reminders, click on the skip. So if you're using Android, you might get some different options, but it would be in the same way. So you can skip this process because it says send the link to other devices. If you don't want to send, just skip this step as well. In the final you will see setup complete, let's print. So here is the test print. You can click on the print and it will do that. But now I'm going to show you the wireless scanning. So skip printing page. It says setup is complete, all done. Your printer is available in this app, as you can see on the top screen. It also shows the amount of ink left. To do a wireless scanning now as a test, I'm going to click on the printer scan button. So open the top scanner and place a page facing downwards. Close the lid. Click on the blue icon. We can do multiple scannings and we can save it as a PDF. Now to add the second page, click on the plus button. Also place a second page facing downwards or the second side of the page. Go to the app again, click on the blue icon. So here both pages are available. It says share or save, so click on this button. We can change the name of the file and also it says the format, change it to PDF because we want as a single file. Now click on the share or save button and here you will see if you want You can save it to HP Smart app, so that will stay in the HP Smart app folder, or if you want you can send it to email, WhatsApp. So all the options are available. So that's the easiest way we can use this printer, and we can connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Then we can use it for the wireless setting. Overall, I can say the printer is really good. It takes some time for the connection to set up, might be few minutes. Once it is done, then you are ready for the wireless printing and scanning without any problem. Thanks for watching.